Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of concealers, and I have to say, I'm pretty excited about this one. If you're like me and on the hunt for the best concealer for those 40 and fabulous, then you're in for a treat. Introducing the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer in shade 040 Ivory. This little gem right here is more than just your average concealer. It's a game changer for those of us who want flawless coverage that lasts all day, especially as we navigate through our fabulous 40s and beyond. What sets this concealer apart? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, it's crease-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof, meaning it won't budge no matter what life throws your way. Plus, with up to 24 hours of wear, you can trust that your flawless complexion will stay intact from morning coffee to late-night cocktails. But wait, there's more. This concealer isn't just about staying power, it's also about performance. The creamy formula glides on effortlessly, covering up imperfections, brightening dark circles, and even contouring if you're feeling fancy. And can we talk about this wand? It's large, soft touch, and makes application a breeze. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. Tam says, "I love everything about this concealer." And Wendy S. Johnson exclaims, "Holy smokes! This is the holy grail of concealers." With reviews like that, you know you're onto something special. Oh, and did I mention it's vegan? Yup, this concealer is not only good for your skin but also good for the planet. And with a shade range that caters to all skin tones, everyone can find their perfect match. So, if you're ready to upgrade your concealer game and experience the best coverage of your life, then look no further than the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. Trust me, your 40-year-old self will thank you. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you've tried this concealer and loved it as much as I do. Until next time, stay fabulous.